My name is Ze Chen. Today I'm going to talk about the supply chain. The supply chain is a system of organizations, people, activities, information, and the resource involved in moving a product or a service from supplier to customer. Supply chain activities involve the transformation of natural resources, raw materials, and components into a finished product that is delivered to the end customer. Nowadays, the business needed a supply. So the supply chain is a survey, a chain, and a technology for a business. Business the supply chain management. The business use logistics management reference to the production and the distribution process within a company, while supply chain management includes suppliers, manufacturers, and retailers that distribute the product to the end customer. Supply chains include every business that comes in contact with a particular product, including companies that assemble and deliver component parts to manufacture. Supply chain management. The supply chain management is the way to help each other, follow each other, benefit each other by the suppliers, the the users of the consumers and the retailers. So all these parts consist of the supply chain, and the supply chain management is is the consumer demands through the most efficient use of resource, including the distribution of capacity, inventory, and labor. In theory, a supply chain seeks to match demand with supply and do so with the minimal inventory. Because of the supply chain consists of lots of different parts, so the supplier, the user, they all need to know the information of each other, and the people used to get to know the transformation. So for the public, the information should be clear and open. So the supply chain and the data of it or the information of it needs to be open for the public. Now we can talk about the benefits. There are lots of benefits of the supply chain: quality assurance, inventory buffers, shipping options, risk mitigation. These are all the benefits of a supply chain. Uh, the first one, many firms that use supply chain management apply the concept of economic order quantity. That's the EOQ. The EOQ is a tool to determine how to order materials, parts, and inventory to minimum cost and meet production needs. So it considers the cost to place an order and the time it takes to receive the order. So that's the quality areas and inventory buffers. Also, the supply chain can use different shipping options. You can use trucks, ships, or planes, and the risk mitigation will be reduced because of the supply chain. I don't think there will be any disadvantages of the supply chain because it really helps the business and the consumers both. And all the parts the businesses in the supply chain can help each other and get better. Technology is a very important part for the supply chain. If your uh, technical things for the supply chain get better, you will have more choice and better choice for the supply chain and the improved skills of machines or technical other things. It will really help a lot. And there is two. There are two examples. First one is Amazon. The professor showed a video for us in class. It's the Amazon supply chain. They are very, maybe it's just one supply chain, but it's very technical. The in the inventory, Amazon uses the machines uh, to extend of workers, and the machines works very well and reduce time and cost. Also, the driver. When the driver drives a truck, he can use the auto drive by the to the truck, and the truck can drive by itself. Second, the XYZ furniture. The XYZ furniture is high-end furniture, and that a supplier provides materials, handles, and other attachments. The metal components need to be durable so that they can be used on furniture for years, and the material parts shipped to XYZ should work as intended. The supplier must be able to fill the manufacturer's order and ship material parts to meet XY's production needs. These steps are necessary to produce a quality product that is shipped to a consumer in a timely manner. So a supply chain is really needed for a company, and it will help a lot. In the future, better technology always helps and always get the supply chain better. And I think we will be the real owner because the supply chain will help the business in our life. Thank you.